Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss question 5 of exercise 1.1 NCERT class 11th. Now in this question, see what they are asking. List all the elements of following sets. Now first one is a equal to x is such that x is an odd natural number. Now odd natural number. Now we need to write all the element of this set. Now a, so a equal to now what are the odd natural numbers? 1, then 3, 5, then 7, so and so on. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now these are the all are odd natural numbers and so on. Now then next one is b equal to x is such that x is an integer. Now and x lie between minus 1 upon 2 to 9 upon 2. So we will consider all the integers between minus 1 upon 2 to 9 upon 2. Now so we can say minus 1 upon 2, we can say what is minus 1 upon 2 means minus 1 upon 2 equal to minus 0.5 and 9 upon 2 equal to 4.5. So take all the integers between these numbers. So b equal to 0 because 0 lie between these numbers, then 1, now 1 lie between these numbers, then 2, then 3 and 4. So these integers are lie between these numbers. Now third one is the third. What is third part? X is such that x is an integer, x square less than 4. Okay, is an integer, x square less than 4. So we need to consider all the integer whose square is less than or equal to 4. Equality is also given. So now what are the numbers? 0, the square of 0 is 0, then 1, square of 1 is 1 which is less than 4, then square of 2 is 4 which is equal to 4. So it is also considered, and minus square of minus 1 equal to 1, so it is also considered because square of minus 1 equal to 1 which is less than 4, and square of minus 2 is 4 which is equal to 4, so this one is also considered. So our required set is minus 2. Our required elements are minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, 1 and 2. These are our required elements. Now then next one is d equal to x is such that x is a letter in word loyal. Now we need to write all the letters of word loyal. So d equal to loyal, so L O, then Y A, then now L O Y A, then again L, but We will not repeat element. So these four are the elements because we have already written L. So we will not write it again. So these are our required elements LOYA. Now see fifth one. Now E equal to X is said that X is a month of year not having 31 days. Now we need to write all the months of year which does not contain 31 days. Now see E. Now January number of days in January is 31. So we will not take January. Now in Feb, number of days is either 28 or 29. So February. Then or we can write you have to write for complete spelling, but I have write in short. Then I have written in short, but you need to write complete spelling of month. Now Feb. Then after that March. March contain 31 days, so we will not take March. Now April. April have 30 days, so we will write April. April A. My marker is not working. April. Then May had 31 days, so we will not consider May. Then June. June has 31 days. So June. Then July and August has 31 days. Then September. Then October has 31 days. Then November. Now these are our required elements. Now next one is see sixth one. F equal to X is such that X is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. Okay. Now here we need to write the element which are consonant precede K, means before K. All the elements which are not vowel consonant, so and precede K. So take the elements. Now A is vowel, so we will not take A. Then B, then C, then D. Then we will not take E because E is vowel and we need to write only consonant, so we will not take E. Then F. After F, G. Then H. Then I, but we will not take I because I is a vowel. Then J. Now these are our required elements. Okay. Now thanks for watching.